ShareFactory Studio Snippets for noobs. Whenever you want to edit some text, you need to go to the text menu. So you push the square button and click on Edit Overlays. Once you've done that, you push the square button again and it will take you to this menu, which will give you all the options you want to make any edits. Changing the text duration on ShareFactory is nice and easy. Just go to text duration on the text menu here and push the X to confirm it, and you're using on the controller the left stick to change the starting point of the text and the right stick to change the ending point of the text. And if you use the L1 and L2, that will fine trim the start, and the R1 and R2 buttons on the controller will fine trim the end. If you want to reset it, you push the square button and you can push the X button to confirm it once you've got it how you want it. Watch this complete guide next, which has many other tips and tricks for using text on ShareFactory Studio. It's on the screen now, so watch that next, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more ShareFactory tips that make you a better ShareFactory editor. Thanks.